Hi, today I will show you how an app called SUPERAntiSpyware Free Edition works. SUPERAntiSpyware Free Edition is one of the solutions available on the market that are committed to keeping harmful files away from our computers, be they Trojan horses, keyloggers, dialers, worms, or hijackers. The installation process runs as smoothly as third-party product offerings, while the GUI you're taken to packs in all the options available in the main window, without being cluttered. This app has the power to scan and remove threats. Once you run the app, you can choose between 4 different scan types, namely Quick, Full, Hotspot, and Custom. Each of them detects and removes threats in the most efficient way, however it is advisable to choose the comprehensive one, as it produces the best results, since it scans the entire system. Regardless of which one you choose, you can pause or stop the process at any time, and the results are displayed in a new window with details such as elapsed time and number of threads detected within files, memory, and registry items. For anyone who wants to strengthen their defenses and add an extra layer of protection against various threats, SUPERAntiSpyware is a logical and good choice. It has many tricks up its sleeve, such as ease of use and the ability to find and remove stubborn malware in a decent amount of time, and I highly recommend it. See you next video, and now some music.